Hi everyone, guys, I'm in the market. Let's see what 90,000 naira can buy for us. I already have 30,000 naira right here in my hands, so I will be paying the rest with my ATM card. So let's see what 90k can buy for us.
I bet put on top table. Oh yeah, tie them. So have basket. How much?
7,000.
Guys, tomatoes and fresh pepper has really increased. The price has really gone up. Can you imagine paying 7,000 naira for half basket of tomatoes and 7,000 naira for half basket of pepper? It's crazy.
The evening is calm, the stars shine bright. Good friends are gathering here tonight. Smiles and laughter fill the air. So much joy for us to share. The food is warm, the hearts are light. Everything feels so right tonight. Come and stay, don't rush away. Let's enjoy this peaceful day. Lazy love, good vibes tonight. Hearts together, feeling alright. Lazy love, sharing laughter with a warm, sweet smile. Lazy love.
Yes, 3 liters golden therapy. 10,800. Abi? 10
kasancewa na yawo garin kuwa ko na kake sai fa ne na yawo man wayewa wani dole ka san garin
kind words and a gentle touch.
You don't complete
Yes. Turning an ordinary day into something warm and true. A special time with all.
Hi guys, oh my goodness, I'm so tired. So guys, I am back home from the market and these are everything I bought. Let me show. Pepper and tomatoes for 14,000 naira.
Welcome everyone, good times together. The night
Plantain, potato, golden terra oil. Golden terra oil, I think I bought it 11,400. Some spinach leaf. This spinach leaf costs 2,000 naira for the spinach leaf. Some broccoli,
so soft and sweet, moving gently with the beat. A cozy place where friends be
spaghetti and macaroni,
singing this happy song.
some
Grateful
salt
for passing day.
and jollof rice spicy,
That comes our way. May happiness fill
some
every heart,
fruits, and just some
even
fruits.
when we're far apart. Take a breath and
Got
feel
some
the
half bag of rice. This rice costs 29,000 naira for half bag
kindness lead the way.
for the rice.
Brighter moments every day.
Let me open this. I bought 6 pack of seaway water for 11,400 naira. So guys, the total cost I spent on all the food items is 92,000 naira, in dollars $66. So guys, I will be making some jollof rice. I'm adding in some pepper, tomatoes is already in the pot, and some onions. I want to steam them before blending it. So this is my meat. I'll be using some chicken and beef and fish as well. That's what I'll be using. So I'm adding in some spices for the fish. Guys, if you have watched up to this time, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much. Please make sure to watch to the end to see the result of our delicious and yummy jollof rice.
The evening is calm, the stars shine bright. Good friends are gathering here tonight. Smiles and laughter fill the air. So much joy for us to share. The food is warm, the hearts are light. Everything feels so right tonight. Come and stay, don't rush away. Let's enjoy this peaceful day. Lazy love, good vibes tonight. Hearts together, feeling alright. Lazy love, stay for a while. Sharing laughter with a warm, sweet smile. Lazy love, welcome everyone. Good times together, the night has begun. Lazy love, let's make memories filled with joy and harmony. Talking and laughing, enjoying the view, making new friends and memories too. Simple moments mean so much, kind words and a gentle touch. Every smile brightens the way, turning an ordinary day into something warm and true. A special time with all of you. Lazy love, good vibes tonight. Hearts together, feeling alright. Lazy love.
So guys, I've added my rice to the stew base, so I have to stir it very well. I covered it with some foil paper to heat up very well. So guys, I have to stir the rice. Guys, do you know one thing about jollof rice? You have to like stir it every time. You have to turn it every minute. If not, it's going to get burnt. Jollof rice is very tricky. So I'm stirring it, it's coming out nicely. Now I'm adding some cooking butter to it. What is jollof rice without adding some cooking butter? Jollof rice butter will just take it to another level. I'm adding some onions. If you are the kind of person that don't like onions in your food, you can actually skip the onions. Now I'm covering it again to heat up a bit. Voila, our rice is ready, guys. Can you see the jollof rice looking so delicious? Look at our chicken and our beef. They all came out so well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know which part of this vlog you enjoy. Bye.